Hi, this is John from the John Quinn Team. Today's video is on preparing your home for a home inspection. Once we have a contract on your house, there's a very good chance the buyer is going to have a complete and total home inspection on your home. And obviously, the fewer things they find, the better the buyer is going to feel about purchasing your home. So right off the bat, the first thing I'm going to tell you to do is get a licensed heating and air guy to come out and service all your heating and air units that you have in your house. Even if that just means get them all cleaned up and make sure they look good. It's probably going to help out with the efficiency anyhow of those units. At the same time, if you have any burnt out light bulbs throughout your house, go ahead and change the light bulb out. The reason being, if the home inspector sees a light out, instead of just saying it's a light bulb, he's going to say you have electrical problems. So let's get all the light bulbs changed. Then, if you go around the outside of your house, look for any rotted wood or peeling paint and go ahead and get all those repaired. It's one of the biggest items that we find on home inspection is rotted wood or peeling and chipping paint around the house. Let's go ahead and get all that taken care of. It's also going to make your house look much nicer too. Next thing I would do is go throughout your house to all your sinks and your faucets, your bathtubs, turn them on, turn them off. Do they stop automatically or do they drip a lot? If they drip a lot, you might want to replace out some washers in there. Because if the home inspector finds it, they're going to be asking you to go hire a plumber to get all this stuff done. It's going to cost a whole lot more having a licensed plumber coming out there as opposed to you just tightening it up with a screwdriver. And if you look at some of your outlets, if you have any burned outlets where they have a little blacking coming out of there, it might be a good time to replace that outlet. Little things like that will go a long way to making sure that you have a good inspection on your house. Now, one thing that we do recommend for some houses, if there's a lot of things that might need to be done, is to go ahead and get a home inspection done on your house prior to even getting it listed. This way you'll have a complete list of what's wrong with your house, and you can go through that list and get it repaired by the people that you want to get repaired by, not somebody that the buyer is going to request to get the repairs by. This way it's going to save you a lot more money in the long run. Hope you enjoyed listening to this video. Hopefully this tip can help save you a lot of money. And as always, if I can ever help you, call me at my office at 901-591-8100. Thank you so much.